Monday Creative, and in this Dino Stomp video we're going to be moving our bodies just like our favourite dinosaurs. Now, did you know that the word dinosaur can be translated from the Greek? Dinos meaning powerful or formidable, and sauros meaning lizard. So dinosaur literally translates as powerful or formidable lizard. Now before we get moving, we need to make sure our bodies are nice and warmed up. So I want you to do your biggest dinosaur stomps 8 times. We're going to make sure we've got plenty of space around us as we stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. We're going to do 2 big jumps. Jump, jump. Fantastic. 2 big claps. Clap, clap. We're going to tap our knees 2 times. 1, 2. Tap the floor twice. 1, 2. And finally, we're going to roll our bodies up for 8 counts. And our head's going to come up last on the count of 8. So we're going to go down to the floor. We roll up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. Let's try that all together. Following me. So starting with 8 big stomps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 jumps, 2 claps, 2 knees, 2 floor roll up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Now this time I want you to be as big as you possibly can, like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, clap, clap. Knees, knees, floor, floor up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time, I want you to be as teeny tiny small as you can, just like a velociraptor. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 jumps, 2 claps, 2 knees, 2 floor up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing, everyone. Because we're being dinosaurs, I want you to show me your claws like this and give yourselves a great big round of applause. Amazing. Shake out one arm for me. Shake out the other arm. Good. Shake out one leg and your other leg. Shake out your whole bodies. And we are ready to start. All right. I want you to stamp your feet for me, everyone. And repeat after me. Stomposaurus stomp, stomp. Let me hear you. Stomposaurus stomp, stomp. Amazing. Now we're going to make our hands into great big dinosaur jaws and go. Chomposaurus chomp, chomp. Your turn. Chomposaurus chomp, chomp. Brilliant. Let's put those 2 together. Stomp and chomp. Ready? All together. We go. Stomposaurus stomp, stomp. Chomposaurus chomp, chomp. Brilliant. Next up, I want you to jump up and down like you're crunching on some of these lovely leaves all around me. We're going to say, Crunchosaurus crunch, crunch. Your turn. Crunchosaurus crunch, crunch. And finally, we're going to make our hands into mouths again, but smaller mouths. And we're going to munch, munch, munch. Munchosaurus munch, munch. Brilliant. All right, everyone, let's try those 4 things all together. So we stomp, we chomp, we crunch, and we munch. All together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Stomposaurus stomp, stomp. Chomposaurus chomp, chomp. Crunchosaurus crunch, crunch. Munchosaurus munch, munch. Brilliant. Everyone give yourselves a great big round of applause. All right, now let's get started on our Dino Stomp dance now that we're nice and warmed up. So first off, we're going to meet some of the dinosaurs that are appearing in our dance. So first dinosaur is our Triceratops. Now a Triceratops has that name because it has how many horns on its face? How many horns does a Triceratops have? Shout it out if you know it. It has 3 horns on its face. See if you can make 3 horns with your hands. I don't know how you might want to do it. Have a little play around, see what you can do. Now, our Triceratops is as big as an African elephant, so try and make yourself nice and big. The Triceratops walks on 4 legs, so see if you can give yourself a flat back as you go down. Make yourself as big as you possibly can and give yourself your 3 horns. Very good. Now, as our Triceratops, we're going to move from side to side 4 times. So make your big Triceratops, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic, well done. So that's our first dinosaur in our dance. The next dinosaur is going to be a Stegosaurus. And a Stegosaurus is famous for having bony plates all the way down its spine and down its tail. So I want you to show off your big tails with those bony plates all the way along. So you're going to shake your tail 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Now, our next dinosaur is actually technically not a dinosaur. It's a winged reptile. Which one do you think it is? Although it's not classed as a dinosaur, it was on planet Earth during the same time as the dinosaurs. A winged reptile is a pterodactyl. So show me your big wings. Now, although it looks like a bird, it flies like a bird, it doesn't have any feathers, but what it does have are 90 small, sharp teeth. So show me your 90 teeth, everyone. Amazing. All right, let's get our wings out like our pterodactyl, and we're going to fly whoosh, whoosh. Brilliant. Do you think you can put those 3 dinosaurs together? Our Triceratops, our Stegosaurus, and then our winged reptile, the pterodactyl. Let's try it all together. Ready? So, flat back, big Triceratops. We're going to move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your Stegosaurus tail. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And flap your wings like a pterodactyl. 1, 2. Yes, everyone, give yourselves a little round of applause. Now, of course, at any point, if you want to have an extra practice of these moves, feel free to pause the video and then you can carry on when you feel like you are ready. But for now, we're going to move on to our next dinosaur, which is our Diplodocus, one of the biggest known dinosaurs. So I want you to stretch yourself up nice and tall, bring your arms all the way up to the top, a big long neck. See how big you can make yourself. And an extra challenge, I'm going to turn to the side. See if you can put out one leg like your Diplodocus tail, and see if you can balance as you bend down, making yourself as long as possible. Amazing, well done. So in our dance, we're going to bring our Diplodocus neck up, and we're going to move our bodies 4 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Now the last dinosaur that we are going to meet is the king of the tyrant lizard. Which dinosaur do you think that might be? Remember that lizard comes from the Greek sauros, so we know it ends with something like sauros. Tyrant, what do you think that could be? The king of the tyrant lizards is the Tyrannosaurus rex, the T-Rex. Now, our T-Rex has got big, strong legs, so show me your big, strong legs. Fantastic. We come forward a little bit, and we're going to bend our legs slightly, just like this. Amazing. Our T-Rex is very strong and it's very fast, ready to move, hunting for its prey. Now, a T-Rex has short arms, so put some glue down here, and stick your arms down, and stick your hands out, turn them into claws. Amazing. Now you look just like a T-Rex. Now, a T-Rex moves its head and its neck as it searches for its prey. So let me see that. But it also has very strong legs, as I said. So in our dance, I want to see you do 6 big stomps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. Give yourselves a round of applause, everyone. So we now know our 5 dinosaurs. Our Triceratops, our Stegosaurus, our Pterodactyl, our Diplodocus, and our T-Rex with big strong legs. Fantastic, everyone. Now we're going to start our dance in an egg. So I want you to curl yourself up as small as possible. And we're going to break out of our egg as the song begins. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Make yourself as big as possible. Break 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. Now we become our Triceratops and we move 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake your tail. 1, 2, 3, 4. And flap your wings. Brilliant. Now I want you to make yourself really huge because some dinosaurs are huge, and really small because some dinosaurs are very, very small. And then I want you to shake your head and waggle your fingers and go, no, 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 because you wouldn't like to meet a dinosaur at all. No, 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 no. Then we're going to go stomp, stomp, jump 4 times. Here we go. Stomp, stomp, jump. Stomp, stomp, jump. Stomp, stomp, jump. Stomp, stomp, jump. Brilliant. Next up, we're going to get our big dinosaur mouths again and we're going to chomp. So we go chomp, chomp to the other side, chomp, chomp, and we're going to march around for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. And we're going to repeat that chomping. So we're going to jump like a carnivore, a herbivore, and an omnivore. And if you're not sure what those words mean, maybe you can have a look at them after you've watched this video. It's all to do with what our dinosaurs ate. Brilliant. Fantastic. After you've done that, we're going to look over this way. Look over this way, search for those dinosaurs, search up high for the pterodactyls, and then I want to hear you give me the biggest roar you possibly can. Roar! Amazing, everyone. After we've done that, we're going to put in our Diplodocus move, and then our T-Rex, and repeat the movements. All right, like I said earlier, if you want to pause this and go over some of the movements, you absolutely can. But for now, let's listen to our music and follow along as best you can, everyone. So down into your egg shape, please. We go 2, 3, 4, break 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Triceratops with a very good shake your Stegosaurus tail and pterodactyl wings. Very big and very small. Shake your head. Stomp, stomp, jumps. Stomp, stomp, jump. As big as you can. Fabulous. Big chomps. March all the way around. Repeat that. March all the way around. Dinosaurs. Look over this way. Look over this way. Look up high and roar. Big long neck. With the very good T-Rex up. Stop. Really huge and really small. Big stomps. Stomp, stomp, jump. Stomp, stomp, jump. Stomp, stomp, jump. Stomp, stomp, jump. Big chomps. March all the way around. Very good. Repeat that. March all the way around. Dinosaurs. Look over this way. Look over this way. Look to the sky and roar! Amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause, everyone. Fantastic. Now, You have done brilliantly learning this dance in this video. But what I'm going to do is play the song one more time for you, and I'm going to do it along with you, but I'm not going to call out the movements. So I'm going to play it one more time so that you can move along without me shouting over the top of it. So join in for one last performance. Here we go, everyone.
Triceratops with the horns and frill, Stegosaurus and Pterodactyl. Some are huge and some are small, but I wouldn't like to meet a dinosaur at all. Stomp, stomp, jump, stomp, stomp, jump, stomp, stomp, jump, stomp, stomp, jump. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. What a lot of dinosaurs. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. What a lot of dinosaurs. Diplodocus with a very long neck, Brontosaurus and Tyrannosaurus rex. Some are huge and some are small, but I wouldn't like to meet a dinosaur at all. Stomp, stomp, jump, stomp, stomp, jump, stomp, stomp, jump, stomp, stomp, jump. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. What a lot of dinosaurs. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. What a lot of dinosaurs.
Fantastic, everyone. Give yourselves a great big round of applause. Thank you so much for watching and joining in with this video today. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on the One Day YouTube channel. Click and subscribe, and maybe you can find your favourite dinosaurs and learn how to move just like them. But for now, thank you very much, everyone. Look after yourselves. Stay safe. Bye-bye.